Hi, welcome to my channel. I would like to demonstrate a couple of ways how you can fold up your towel sets so that it's easier for you to find the matching pieces. I am Suzette. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so in this part of the video, I am demonstrating a way how you can hang the towel in the bathroom. I am folding the towel in thirds, the bath towel, and then I will fold it the other way in thirds again. Then I will place it on the towel rack. I will now place this face towel over the bath towel. I will fold it just the way I folded the bath towel and place it on top of the bath towel. If you would like to see more ideas on how you can hang your bathroom towels, click on the links that are listed in the description box down below. For the embellishments, I am using this gold chain. I will place it around the face towel and I will tie it. The knotted part of the chain will be in between the face towel. At this point in the video, the sun decided to give me some special effects. I want to also show you some ways how you can fold your towel sets together. black towel. If you have pattern, the pattern goes down like this. For this set of 3, I am folding it this way. The ones that you place in the middle, it's not necessary you have to place the design on top because it will not be shown. But on both sides of the towel, it has to be even. And place the ones in the middle so that you have a even fold on both sides. This one goes in here. Then make sure it's equal on both sides. This one is 2. See, the pattern goes down. For this set of 2, I will place the face towel like this so that I can get it even on both sides. When the towel sets are folded like this, it's much easier. You look through your storage, you see one you want to use, you just take it out. You don't have to be going through the rest of the towels because you have the same colored towels also and you cannot see the matching ones. You have to take them out and look. It's easier this way. You already have them folded together. So all you have to do is just reach into the storage and take out the one you need. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.